What's up, B Squad? Welcome back to my channel. So I am starting a 3-video series where I try new products or compare 2 products. So make sure you check out all 3 videos. I'm going to kick it off with my first video in which I compare Anastasia brow wigs with AOA brand Studio brow pencil. They're both about the same size. Actually, the AOA Studio is a little bit more product, and I use Anastasia on this side and AOA on this side. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to take the AOA brow pencil and I'm going to have it on my right side. And then I'm going to have the Anastasia brow wigs on my left side. And I'm going to fill both my eyebrows in. My eyebrows just look so fleeky right now because I just got them threaded. Getting eyebrows threaded hurt real bad. So here's the AOA Studio pencil. I'll include little videos like over here somewhere so you can see it up close. This pencil is like more on the waxy side. Maybe I should swatch it. I should probably take that purple stuff off. Can you see these little red spots from when she like snatched the fuck out of my stuff?
Calling Rayo.
What? What the fuck is Rayo? Threaded in, they look rough. So yeah, off the top, I've used this before, but this one feels like more of like a wax type eyebrow product. I could definitely see it like staying all the time. You may have to put like a clear gel on top of it to set it. And then basically that's all I had to do with this eyebrow. And then I'll have to come back and clean it up. I'll come back and clean it up after with some concealer. So this is going to be a 3-part series. So I'm doing a comparison video for my brows, the Anastasia versus the AOA. And then for I'm trying a new foundation. I'll do a separate video on that one and a new powder. And then I'm also trying 2 new lip products. So it'll be 3 video series. So make sure y'all tune in and watch all the other videos that are incorporated into this look. So next I'm going to go in on this eyebrow with the Anastasia brow wigs in the shade Ebony. The AOA was also in the shade Ebony, so I thought that was another reason it would be a good comparison in shades as well. And I'll swatch this on my hand too. So this one right here is the AOA, and that's Anastasia next to it. And the AOA is more ashy. I feel like it has more gray undertones than Anastasia has. I feel like the brow wigs is definitely a difference. I feel like because the tip of this is like super small, you get like more like hair-like streaks in as compared to the AOA. It's like super thick, and it just like, I feel like it was more pigmented on my eyebrow. I guess it depends on what type of eyebrow look you're looking for. They're both good. You do have to do a little bit more with this one since it's so skinny, and you have to be more precise, but it does help you get like these inner lines like this, as compared to a thicker head that you like mess up, you can easily mess up. So I guess it just depends on preference. Personally, I like the color of the AOA, but I like the head of this one better. Alright, so the Anastasia brow wigs retails for $21.00, and the AOA Studio brow pencil retails for $1. So there's a $20 difference in between these two products, and like looking at my eyebrows, I feel like it's not worth a $20 difference. I would prefer the Anastasia brow wiz for like the front part of my brows to like get that fine hair-like strokes. But as far as like fullness, I would use the AOA brand studio brand brow pencil, because I feel like it's not very much of a difference, honestly, in like the products. So what do you guys think? Have you tried the AOA Studio brand from Shop Miss A, or have you tried the Anastasia? I know this is a very, very popular product right now. Like, do you live and breathe Anastasia brow wiz? Maybe you should try this one out, and it'll save you a little bit of money when you're shopping for makeup. But yeah, make sure you guys comment down below, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.